Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see what we can do if your nothing phone is charging slowly. See here, initially I faced this issue. Recently, 1 week back, I purchased this Nothing 4A mobile. Okay, very brand new one. But within the box there is no adapter. So I'm just using this adapter which is with me, which is of my old phone adapter. Okay, this is 33 watts. And see here, when I keep this in the charge, it is saying like charging. See, I'll tell you the difference. Note this charging, right? And this is the adapter. Yeah. uh, so this is the T3 watts adapter. Then I figured out the actual reason, so I purchased this Nothing branded CMF by Nothing 45 watts PPS charger. Why did I purchase this? First of all, okay, this is the charger what I am talking about. So let me just plug in this now, and now observe the difference. There is one more option we can do. Now observe charging rapidly. Previously when I charge with this adapter, and this data cable is also within the box, means the cable which was provided with this mobile, that cable, right? I just using this, you can see or not, this nothing labeled cable, and this is CMF charger 45 watt PPS charger. So I'll tell you what is the difference. So open your phone settings and you can go to battery section and click on this battery health. Here there is a information here. Smart charging mode. See here, if you feel like your battery is charged slowly, you can disable this option. Actually, I'll read it for you. Charge steadily overnight to preserve long-term battery health. Means if you are especially charging at the night, means when you sleep, if you enable this option, this will charge steadily instead of fast. So if you don't want this option, means if you're okay with this option, just disable this option and keep it to 90%, or you can off this also. You can just disable this and check for 2-3 days. Actually, check for 2-3 days or a week and test now. If you feel like your battery percentage is charging quickly, then everything goes okay, but it is always better to enable this option. Okay. So for now I'm not going to disable this. And one more thing, sleep standby optimization. Okay, what is this? Yeah, click on charging assistant at the bottom. See here, it is mentioned like, for most efficient charging experience, we recommend using official Nothing or CMF by Nothing chargers and cables available on the Nothing official website, Flipkart and other platforms. Chargers compatible with the PPS charging protocol. See, charging this is compatible with the PPS charging protocols also required, recommended. Avoid charging your phone while playing games or watching videos. Avoid charging your phone when the temperature is too high or low. So please follow these steps so that your phone charge will be faster. The first thing here is, it is recommended to use Nothing brand chargers or CMF by Nothing chargers. This is CMF by Nothing charger, which is of 45 watts. You can also purchase 65 watts even for the better charging. Now I'll also tell you how much time it is taking for the full charge. So I tested this thoroughly. Like, if I charge this with this adapter, if I charge it like 30 minutes, the phone is getting charged like 35%. Means for each minute 1 percentage of charge. Like 20 minutes, if I charge this for 20 minutes, the battery percent is something like 25% it is getting charged. And I also have one more charger. This is Moto 68 watt charger. Even with this also, the charge is faster. I'll just compare and tell you. As this is the 68 watts, see, yeah, when I keep charge with this 68 watt charger. It's like if I keep it like 30 minutes, around 40 to 42% of charging is uh, getting charged, like 40 to 45%. So it is better, you can take, instead of 45 watts, you can take 65 for the faster charging. And this I purchased for 700 rupees. Maybe I can drop that in the description, the unboxing video and the full details video. So if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.